No. So, look up. How many cars have you been swapping from the machine? Look up. How many cars have you been swapping? Thief. You don't understand English, Abi? Don't worry. Don't worry. You provide your second now. Thief. Oh yeah, look up. I go wipe you slap now. You go hear English now. Okay, it's your own, ba? You swap your own. It's your own, swap. Just now. Look at how he's looking as if he's surprised. Thief. Looking like look at him. Look at him. Now see, yes, first of all, you must because you people left him just like this. No, it's not good now. It's not good now. It shouldn't be like this. Yakuri, for people's money you be stealing. You know how much? You know how much you have stole? See, this guy need to see something before he leave here. Because if you hand over to some of these people now, they will not touch him. So give him enough touch up. They will not touch him now. Go down. Because of CSM, I'm looking at this. I always be stealing people's card in ATM, swapping people's card. Go down there. Leave it. They will do it. Idiot. You know, because of these stupid boys, they have sacked most of the securities from here. All these stupid boys. Thief. Oga, come and see. Come and see card. Come and see card in his position. Come and see card in his position. More than 50 cards. Look at cards in his position. See, of all the banks, look at only one person. See people's card. See people's card. See people's card in his position. See people's card. See people's card in his position. Look at card. Only one person. Look. Today, God. See, there's a way you tie and let his leg. Look at. No. It's your own today. Jesus. See. Yeah. Look at cards. Card in one person's position. Look at Echo. Stand big. See cards in one person's position. Look at one person's position. Floor. No, don't wound him. Just don't worry. I know what you people have faced. Thief. You've not tied him well. What is that? See. You've not tied him well. Let the leg go to the head too. It's not serious. What? Look at card in position of one person. Look at card, ATM card. Compliance is upstairs. They are upstairs.
Officer, make I call my compliance officer.
Yes. What? See card in one person's position. See Ecobank now. No, this is First Bank now. Okay. See your card, your Visa card. One, Echo. See your card, Valve 2. Live in Ecobank here, Gombe. One of these thieves that used to swap cards, luck has run out of him today. Yes. Luck ran out of him today. Look at the person you want to defraud, and God arrested him for us. Thief. Naim, from our CCTV, Naim. They watch this man. No, I want to. You don't want to put his face up. No, don't be talking about. They go flog nonsense for anybody today. Now this one, I pretend now. They never give him. Only one person. 1,000 from him. It's for him. It's from his pocket. What? This car? People have not removed this thing now. See cars now. Remove. Keep removing. Keep removing. Keep removing. There are cars.
Escalate it.
This is I'm videoing itself. Look at card in position of one person. You see innocent old women coming in.